Welcome to YOLO Learning, guys. Thanks for coming. So this is the final boss stage of the level 2, and hopefully you get this. And this is very similar to our stage 2 of the level 2. And if you haven't watched it, please go watch it. And also stage 3 of level 1. If you do actually understand those two, then this one will be quite easy. I'll put the link somewhere on the right top corner of this clip. Make sure you go watch it if you haven't watched it before this video. So let's then take a look at this final boss stage. Now, you are on the planet Earth. In order to maintain your current shape, the best of all BOA smart device uses a function f at x equals to absolute value of negative 3x plus 12 plus 1. You just found out that you have won the once in a lifetime, I don't even know how to pronounce this, OYALT?
이 뭔 개소리야!
Lottery can go now to Jupiter. Well, good for you. I really want to go to the Jupiter too. Traveling to Jupiter requires the another function g at x equals negative 0.4 absolute value of 0.5x plus 2 plus 1. Determine what transformations your body will go through in order to prepare for the fun pain to travel to Jupiter. Well, it's going to be painful. Your body's changing. At the same time, you're excited because you're going to the Jupiter, so it's fun pain. Once you take a look at this, it seems like we have a question that's asking us to find the transformations from one transformed absolute value function to another transformed absolute value function, which actually is pretty much the same as the stage 2 of this level. So let's then take a look at this. Now, I am going to say then we are changing it from f to h, and I will say h is our parent function, the absolute value, and then we're going to change this back to our g. So let's then actually do this one. F at x equals, now hopefully you noticed that the negative 3 again is not factored out, so we really do have to factor this out, have everything working for us. So then 2 absolute value of negative 3, then factor that out, then it becomes x minus 4 plus 1. This one is going back to the parent function absolute value of the x. So then this one becomes very simple and easy. Our a is 2, our b is negative 3, c is 4, d is 1. So going backwards, I'm going to start with d being negative 1 so that they will nullify so that it becomes 0 after all. C is negative 4, b is then negative because negative times negative becomes positive. We're trying to make a and b 1 and the reciprocal of the 3, which is 1 over 3. And then last one is a is just 1 over 2, and there is no negative originally, that's why there is no negative in the reverse. Just to finish the reverse process, and
this gives me vertical translation down by 1, horizontal translation left to the 4 units, and we have a negative for the b, so we have horizontal reflection or reflection on y-axis, and we have 1 over 3 for the b value, which is less than 1, so this is horizontal stretch by a factor of the reciprocal value of that, which is then 3. Remember, this is the reciprocal of b value. Always don't forget that. And the last one is also 1 over 2, less than 1, vertical then compression by a factor of over 2.
This is from f to h. All we have to do is just go from h to g by adding. So this is to remove. That's why we go backwards. So then let's take a look at from h to g, our parent function to the g. We just changed from our f to the parent function h, right? So then we just need to go to the g from the parent function. That's all that is. So it's actually quite then simple. So our parent function to the g, which is then our absolute value of the x, goes to the g, and hopefully again you notice that 0.5 over there is not factored out, so let's actually just to factor that out. Then we have negative 0.4 absolute value of 0.5 x plus 4 once you factor that out. Remember, factoring is you're dividing, so 2 divided by 0.5 is 4, absolute value closed, and then plus 1.
So our a is negative 0.4, our b is 0.5, our c is negative 4, and our d is then 1. Now then, the negative and the a gives me reflection on the x-axis, and 0.4, which is less than 1, so then it will be vertical compression by a factor of just the number itself, 0.4. Now the b is 0.5, therefore it is again smaller than 1, but the b works opposite way, so it is horizontal stretch by a factor of 1 over 0.5. Depending on who your teacher is, they may not like the form of 1 over 0.5, so do the calculation either using your mental math or a calculator, and that is then 2. then we have C being equal to -4, so horizontal translation left by 4 units, and we have D being 1, so the vertical translation up by 1 unit.
So we're almost done. Once you find these, this will be your first transformation from F to H, which is the parent function, and then this will be your second transformations that you are going to go from parent function to the G at X, so that you will be able to, let's say, tour Jupiter safely and happily. So hopefully this actually was helpful to you. Hopefully you understand how the backwards actually works completely in and out. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button for me. Thanks for watching YOLO Learning Channel. I'll see you guys next. Bye bye.